Apple was done after dropping the iPhone 17 last week? Not even close. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the tech giant is gearing up for at least 10 more product launches, and 5 of them are slated to arrive before the end of 2025. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. Leading the pack is the highly anticipated iPad Pro M5, set to debut with Apple's blazing fast new M5 chip. Expect some serious performance gains, better battery life, and possibly a second front-facing camera for portrait mode, a nod to the square selfie sensor introduced with the iPhone 17. If Apple nails this, it could be the biggest iPad upgrade in years. Also coming soon is a revamped Vision Pro headset. While the design will mostly stay the same, it's also powered by the M5 chip and might show up in a sleek new space black finish, complete with a redesigned strap for better comfort and style. For anyone who misplaces their stuff regularly, the AirTag 2 is nearly here, powered by the new U2 chip for enhanced tracking precision. Apple's also planning refreshes for the Apple TV and HomePod Mini, both expected to feature the new N1 networking chip and expanded support for Apple's upgraded Siri and the company's evolving Apple Intelligence program. And that's just 2025. In early 2026, Apple plans to roll out M5-powered MacBook Pro and MacBook Air models, a new external Mac display, and an intriguing iPhone 17e, likely a budget-friendly addition to the iPhone family. If you thought the iPhone 17 was the main event, think again. Apple's just getting started, and your upgrade wish list is about to get a whole lot longer. Are you waiting again for Apple's new products? 'Cause same. Comment down your thoughts and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.